Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Saturday and it's Sunday, Monday. The wedding is on Tuesday. I know it's an odd day for the wedding, but it's literally last moment before the wedding. I'm not sure when it will be posted because of course we are very busy and we still have lots of things to do, last moment things like our friends are coming and Way's parents are coming and still so much to do. You can't believe it, like so many things we are doing last minute. I just booked my hair appointment yesterday for the wedding, which is on a Tuesday, so that's pretty crazy. But I just wanted to show you what we pack for our wedding weekend, because we are leaving for a couple of days. We are leaving tomorrow and then we're gonna stay there a couple of days. The wedding is on Tuesday, so we will be there a couple of days more. And Mr. Almost husband is here doing hard work of last minute preparation and planning. And I'll just show you the general overview of things. We put several things out so far. Babe, can you hold the camera for a second? So what we have here, like several things, like of course tire things, not to forget, because sometimes the smallest things are what you're going to forget. So we have like my dress and my jewelry, my favorite part of the wedding dress. What do you call it? It's number one uniform. Ceremonial army uniform.
Or ceremonial dress.
Ceremonial dress, and then there's an actual suit to change after the ceremony for actual wedding. And here we have some other parts of uniform, beret and belt, and things. Why you have so much stuff? You have more stuff than I do.
Oh, it takes a man needs his stuff.
So both of our shoes are in the dressing room. And here is something that I really like as well. Those are cufflinks with a plane, because I don't know if I ever mentioned to you guys, but that's how we met. We met on the plane when I was hard to work, very busy, working very hard, and he was a passenger on the plane. Happy flight.
Yes, it was.
And here we have our wedding rings, which are simple. We don't need that anymore, right? A simple wedding rings. Classy, simple, and gold. I think I'm gonna wear it on the right hand because it doesn't go together with the ring. And the Polish tradition, which is I think Eastern Europe tradition only, and some Catholic country, is to wear a band on the right hand and the rest of the world wears on the left hand. So I will leave my engagement ring here and bandit will be here, and you better wear your inks too. So this goes, and then here we have our little corner of things that we are taking with us for the wedding. We decided to get a little gift for our lovely guests. By the way, everything is in small quantities, as you see, because we are making a small wedding. It's I think 17 people in total, and it was supposed to be just two of us and parents in the beginning, but it grew out of control and now it's like proper full-on wedding kind of. So we got some small gifts for our guests to thank them for their time and effort to join us on this special day. So we have a very, very strong Polish alcohol in here with our names and date and some dedication for the guests. That's what we were dealing with last night, pouring that in. And then we have fortune cookies with our names and thanking our guests for coming. This one is open. What's wrong with this one? But yeah, fortune cookies with Polish and English as well. Here we have, that's what we were doing last night as well. We bought our vodka in the store and we put stickers as well, which says cheers to newlyweds and our name and the date, which I think will look good. We have plenty of these, but I just took, it's a Polish wedding, Polish and Australian wedding, so it's from the Polish side, lots of alcohol, as you can imagine, but I just took one to show you. Here we have, how do you call this, baby?
Sparklers,
Sparklers?
as it says.
Sparklers, as it says. That would help if I know how to read as well. So that is for the part to take pictures with when it will get dark, which I don't know it will get dark. Now it's summer in Poland, it gets dark really, really late.
Yes, we'll have to party for a long
Around
time.
10, and the wedding
Yes.
starts at 1, so it's a long time. Anyway, so we got this. We got helium bottle, our own helium bottle, and we will have some decorations, like lots of balloons. We have like they're made of foil, yeah?
Mhm.
Foil balloons, heart, our first letters of our name, some letters to hang, which says husband and wife, but that's in Polish. Little things to hold it down, just for this not to fly away. And then we have 2 boxes with gifts for our parents. And
Let's review.
yeah, I was about to insert pictures on the side, but yeah, that's how it looks like. We have wine, we have some truffles, honey, tea, coffee. What else is there? There are some other things in there, like some cute goodies. Both of the boxes are the same. As you can see, this whole preparation is turning the place into a little bit of mess. Someone is still working hard on the wedding. It's recorded so that I will not take all the credit for everything. So it's like actually for your benefit. You are doing something. It's recorded, so you have proof. You've done something for the wedding too. No, I'm joking. He was very helpful. I'm joking. As I said, yes, as I said, we are going for a couple of days and we're going to stay there for our wedding weekend. So I'm taking these 2 suitcases, and this small one is going to be my makeup, skincare, hair products, all of it. And here what I'm going to wear. This is a bit too much because it's just a couple of days and we are not going to pack our wedding outfits there, but anyway, it still has things from when I arrived from Munich tour, so I didn't attach that. So just some outfits and some random things. I'm not sure it will get full, but all the other makeup, hair products are going to go there. I'm not sure if I mentioned to you, but I'm going to make my own makeup, and I was very close to be making my own hair for the wedding, and I was discouraged from that by my mom. She was like, no, you have to go to hairdresser. I hate someone doing something with my hair. This is my thing, and definitely I would not like anyone doing my makeup. I hate it. I prefer doing it myself. Maybe it would turn out better. I went for a trial for the trial makeup. Sorry, I keep looking up. I can't break this habit. I keep looking here instead of here. I went for a trial makeup and I really didn't like it. I'm very precise about how I want my wing eyeliner to look like and things like that. So that's decided. I'm doing my own wedding makeup. I'll quickly show you what is here. I like spread a couple of things. That's definitely not all we are taking, but here I have some of my hair tools in case I want to do a little touch up like flat iron and curling iron. Here I have all my makeup. I mean, it's not all. I still didn't pack everything. Oh yeah. Oh, by the way, look at this. What I found here. This is something that I received together with my engagement ring. How cute. So this is some of my makeup. I'm taking these 3 palettes. I was testing a couple of looks that I want to go for, but I haven't decided on any of them yet. So just in case, I'm taking 3 of them. I consider doing fake lashes, so I'll take that with me too. Here I have all my skincare products. I mean, not all, because still I didn't fully pack. Majority what I'm using recently is this brand. I have so many of them, I'll show later. The Ordinary. I bought so many things from them. The virgin marula oil, rosehip oil, niacinamide plus zinc, as well as the buffet, the famous buffet, and I have some vitamin C serum and something else was there from the buffet. Anyway, some serums, moisturizers, masks, SPF, things like that. That I will not go in details with all of that, because otherwise I would make this video last forever. I have some Longines sleeping mask. I have 2 sets of makeup brushes. This is the one that I usually use that needs to be washed, and the new one that I just got for the occasion and works perfectly, but I will rewash that too. For the perfume, I got this little sample from Sephora, and this is the newest scent from Bottega Veneta. I consider wearing that for the wedding, or this Jo Malone Peony and Blush Sweet. I'm going to have peony as my wedding bouquet and decoration of the cake. What is it called? I'm lost for words. Cake. So I thought that would be a nice thing. But this is my signature scent, and everybody who knows me knows I always wear this, and everyone associates this scent with me. So I'm a bit torn which one should I wear, this or this. What do you think?
I like the rose one.
There's no rose. This is peony.
Peony, that's the one.
Peony. How about my signature scent?
Well, I always love that scent. It's very unique.
So you want me to smell different on our wedding day then?
Yeah, well, it will match the peony that you have at the wedding.
Okay, I'll consider that. Potentially. And I have some masks and dry shampoo, because that's always a good thing to have. I'm also bringing my Victoria's Secret short sleeve and shorts PJs for preparing and the wedding day, the day of the wedding day, because I'm going to have girls in my place first, because we rented a little apartment and the girls will come there. We'll maybe have a bit of champagne first, and getting ready, doing makeup, hair, like in general trying to chill, and the photographer will be there, baby will be there. So that's what I'm going to wear for the wedding day morning. I also got this a little typical robe which says bride. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear that for sure, but I'm taking that, so it's gonna be there if I need it. That's about it for now. I'm going to end this video here because I don't want to go like too detailed through everything and make it last forever. I still have so many things to tell you about wedding preparation and the wedding as well. So there are more videos coming about this subject. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.